Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use ItemExchange, a Subcraft mod created by Sharon J1 and I to replace physical shop, which is what we currently use to create shop in Subcraft. The simplest way to create a shop using ItemExchange is to put the input and output in a chest. So this is 32 redstone. It will be the cost of this Diamond 3 pickaxe that has Fortune 3 on it and is renamed Fortunate Pick. And then simply look at the chest and type IE-create. IE is for ItemExchange. This can be shortened to IEC, and it'll create the exchange. Then to use the exchange, I would walk up to it, hit it. It'll first tell me what the input and output of the exchange is, and then if I hit it again with the input in my hand, it'll conduct the exchange. And of course, the redstone that you originally placed in there to create the exchange is still in there. We could have taken that out before. So you'll notice there are these two buttons in here. This is what's used to store the information about the exchange as opposed to the signs that were previously used. There's an input button and an output button. So let's say I wanted to create an exchange, except instead of having my input available, I didn't have it available. Then I could type in IE-create input, since I want input. Then let's say diamond. This is the bucket name for it. If there's spaces, replace them with underscores. Item ID and data value can be used instead with a colon separating the two, just like you did in physical shop. And then an amount. Let's say 15. This has created new rule lock here. You see an input. You can, if you do have the item, you can use IEC output, holding the item in your hand, and it's easier to create the rule that way. So now we have an input of 15 diamonds and an output of 1 diamond pickaxe. It's easy to adjust amounts. You just shift right-click or left-click to change the amount. And so now it's 10 diamonds. So to use that, I will click, and it first tells me the amount, and then click again. It would make the exchange if the pickaxe was in there, but it's not, so it says there's not enough output in the chest. One other nice feature of ItemExchange is you can have as many exchanges as you want in each inventory block. So you just have the first input matched up with the first output, and so on, and you punch them with your fist. You cycle through the different exchanges, and then you hit them with the item to make the exchange.